In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a journal in Xero. Whether you need to record adjustments, accruals, corrections, or end-of-year entries, manual journals are an essential feature inside Xero that every business owner and bookkeeper should know how to use. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can confidently post your own journals. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, make sure you're on the main homepage of your organization. From the top menu, click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Manual Journals. This is where you can view all previously created journals and create new ones. Once you're on the Manual Journal screen, look to the top right corner and click the New Journal button. This will open a new journal entry form where you can begin entering your details. At the top of the journal, you'll see several important fields. The first field is narration. This is where you enter a clear description of what the journal is for. For example, you might write something like year-end depreciation adjustment or accrual for utilities expense. Make this description clear and specific so anyone reviewing your accounts later understands the purpose of the entry. Next, enter the date of the transaction. This should reflect the actual date the adjustment applies to, not necessarily today's date. Accurate dates are very important for correct financial reporting. You'll also see a journal number field. In most cases, Xero automatically generates this for you. However, if your business follows a specific numbering system, you can manually enter your own journal number here. Now, let's move down to the journal line section. This is where you record the debit and credit entries. Remember, every journal must balance, meaning total debits must equal total credits. On the first line, click into the Account field and select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. For example, you might select an expense account, asset account, liability account, or revenue account, depending on what you're recording. Next, you can add a description for that specific line if needed. This is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to provide additional detail about that individual entry. Then, enter the amount in either the debit column or the credit column. Only enter a value in one column per line. If you enter a debit on one line, you'll need to enter a corresponding credit on another line to balance the journal. To add another line, simply click Add a new line and repeat the process. Select the account, add a description if needed, and enter the debit or credit amount. Continue adding lines until your total debits equal your total credits. You'll see the totals displayed at the bottom, and Xero will indicate whether the journal balances. Before posting, take a moment to carefully review everything. Double-check the account selected, confirm the amounts are correct, and ensure the journal balances properly. This step is important because once a journal is posted, it affects your financial statements. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Post button. Once you click Post, the journal will be saved and applied to your accounts. That's it. You've successfully created a manual journal in Xero. Manual journals are extremely useful for adjustments, corrections, and accountant entries, but always make sure you understand the accounting impact before posting. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to consult with your accountant or bookkeeper. And that's how you create a journal in Xero step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Xero guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.